You have had a really long week. Now is the time to release all the stress and anxiety and overcome even depression from your life. To do so, you don't need nothing special, just to close your beautiful eyes and take a big deep breath with me. Inhale it all with your nose and exhale everything in with your mouth. Let's do it together. Inhale it now. And exhale. Another 2 big deep breaths. Inhale now, slowly in your own time, in your own space. And now 3 of them in your own time, in your own space. Deeper, relaxer, as much as you can go deeper, please do so. That's beautiful. Now I want you to get the biggest out of this relaxation. Take another 4 big deep breaths. Try to focus on your breathing, your attention is just on that, on your sensations, and allowing your full body, mind, to release everything what you just gathered together during this day and week. Take your breathtaking in your own time, in your own space, but the most important, you releasing every single thing which is stuck within you. Let's start it together and enjoy this process. That's nice. How do you feel right now? You feel a little bit relaxed? That was the most point, to calm you down for everyday hassles and problems from. If you would like to join and keep practicing in a group session, I would like to welcome you to the new connection place at this Saturday by 6 p.m. Anybody can come along and practice and being together. The most important is you get out from your comfort zone and allowing yourself to meet with new people, to allowing your body and mind just to relax for a little while, because each day is passing so quickly and we're forgetting to look after ourselves, our mind, our body. But why not? The time is now to start to do something which is healing us. So you are more than welcome to come along, and well done for today. Conscious breathing is actually allowing you to feel and be in the present moment, as well to overcome stress and anxiety and even depression. I will see you very soon, and again,